Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and I have been having this quest to find the planner that I want to use for 2020. So I thought I would come back to Erin Condren and maybe see if I wanted to use that one. So I did a little purchase here, and I thought maybe you guys would like to see what I am looking at to see if it'll work for you. Just a thought, what the heck. So I have this little card covering my address. So let's just open this up and see what we've got. Okay, so we've got this nice little pretty tissue paper here with the Enjoy. They do such a good job of, packaging this and making it seem like we've got something really nice. And honestly, let's just go ahead and say it. Erin Condren's not the cheapest planner out there, right? But I'll tell you, for quality, they sure do rank right up there. So I ripped this, getting it out of the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip the rest of this off and pull out this, throw that away, and we'll look at what we got. So first off, I purchased the lined notebook. This is a softbound notebook, and I love these little notebooks for journaling. I had one when they were in more of a hard cover, and it was really nice. The quality of the paper is so good, and there's a little ribbon there, kind of messed up there, but I think that the paper quality when I'm writing on it feels really nice, and usually it lays pretty flat. So you can see this is lined. I think they have dot grid as well. And it just has note to self, think less, live more. So this is just kind of an extra that I threw in to, I think it was to get free shipping. Anything to save a buck here and there. So this is a rose gold notebook. It has the gold engraved there on the upper corner, and it's just really pretty. I like it. I'm going to enjoy using it. I journal every single day, so no chance of that going to waste. This is a pretty box. Of course, it looks like maybe it's upside down because, yeah, here we go. That looks like the back. Wow. They've really improved this since I bought one last. So inside here we have some little cards, little package. And this has, I believe it's like coupons, maybe some stickers, things like that. So let's have a look. I didn't check to see if they were having a sale on Black Friday or not. I just went ahead and got it. So this is just a little hexagon. Not sure what that's for. When you don't know what to do, do what you know. Don't give up. Great things take time. And then today is another chance to get better. Love those little inspirational things. A couple little gift tags that say enjoy. One's in the gold foil, one's in the silver foil. These are just freebies thrown in. And then there is a code for 20% off there. And then this is just a little card, a little postcard saying the Life Planner was designed to not just schedule each day, but celebrate each day. All right. This is really, really pretty. I've not seen the box before. Oh, this little hexagon. This is how long it's been. Wherever that little hexagon is, it goes on the side to put the date, the year. So when you're done with your planner, you put the year here, and you can keep them all on a bookshelf. I love that. Oh, that's nice. All right, that gets a pro in my pro column for this planner for this year. Okay, so this is the Life Planner, and this is the gorgeous cover I chose. Isn't that so pretty? It says AmandaMischell. Of course, that's my name. And it comes with a ruler. These are a little different since the last time I purchased one as well. It's hard to believe that it's been probably, I think I might have bought a reduced price one, like, you know, like a clearance one, a couple, like maybe the end of last year, earlier this year. I can't remember, but I haven't bought a brand new one for a long time, or, you know, current. So this has the black coil, and I really like the black coil. Better than the silver, but I did pay $10 upgrade to have the black. Just keep that in mind. And then this is the black, or the back. The purple flowers and the green and the blue together, they're also pretty. But look at how it has the pine cones, so it still gives you a sense of winter and holiday season, like right in there. So those are pretty. It's very, very gorgeous. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we got. This is a neutral planner, by the way, because I like having I like to decorate my planners. If I'm using one, I use a lot of color, whether it's with stickers or whether with markers. I just use a lot of color. So that's why I chose a neutral. On the inside, there is the like dry erase type note page where you can take notes. A clear little vellum cover here. You can see the life planner through there, and it's got this cool little stripe design over the hexagon. That's interesting. Life planner vertical layout. This is my life. I could put my name there. I typically do not. Oh, this is really pretty. Success means having the courage to become the person you believe you were meant to be. So as I'm going through this process of deciding which planner I want to use for 2020, I do recognize the fact that I will always have at least 2 planners, because one will be my like personal planner, like a Filofax, but then I like to have another one where I can see kind of things in a bigger format, which I have done a review of the Clever Fox planner. It's undated. There's lots of good ways to use that planner, and I'll put a link to that planner review I did as well. So this is the second one I'm reviewing for 2020 for myself. So as we flip the page, we see kind of a the past and future calendar here. We've got July 2019 all the way to December 2020. Next is new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results. So these are things I can put goals and stuff like that here. That would be helpful. And then just a blank page. I guess maybe ideas or something like that. For the January tab, passion and purpose give you progress. The quality is, like I said, Erin Condren's quality. I don't think they can be beat. Inkwell Press is right up there, but I haven't tried theirs since they switched to more of a happy planner type, punch type planner. So I haven't tried them since that, but they always had really good quality as well. But this is Erin Condren, and I've got like a summary page here. There's some dot grids over here if I want to do any mind mapping, planning. I've got birthdays to list, monthly goals, and then more of the dot grids. And I like this that they're blank. These can be anything I want to be, anything I want it to be, whether I want it to be habits, goals. Well, the goals are right there anyway, but I could have, what my top 3 is for the month, my top tasks, anything. So cool. And this is what the neutral looks like. Very little color, just right across the top. And then it says January 2020 over here in script. And then there's a nice little place here for notes. But if you notice, it doesn't title it as notes. So it could be a monthly to-do list. It could be what I want to do next month. I could use that for anything. And then the months, the holidays are noted here as well. And then after the monthly page, we come to the vertical layout. And this is different as well. I'm liking it. I really am. Because even when I bought the one that was a partial year or clearance, whatever, it was a horizontal layout. So I'm glad to be back to a vertical. I missed it. I really did. So I'm kind of assuming this is what I'm going to use for 2020, but I'm still, you know, kind of thinking about it. But you can see this it starts with a December. It starts on a Monday, so Saturday and Sunday are over here. There's 3 spots. Some people do morning, noon, night, but down here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little spots. And I usually record my meals at the bottom, but I don't have to do that if I don't want to. I could do my top 3. And what I like is I can use stickers or I cannot use stickers. The texture of this page would be very nice for colored pencils. If you are like me, when I use colored pencils, I'm all about a texture. The texture of paper has to be, it has to have, like, it can't be smooth. It has to have some, like, roughness to it. So it's kind of like if I was coloring with crayons, the same thing. And then we just flip through here. So far, I'm thinking this is a thumbs up. It's getting that from me. The comeback is always stronger than the setback. That kind of reminds me of 3 steps forward, 2 steps back. And we switch into February. Of course, we have our summary page and then like a little notes section, dot grid section. And then it's the same as it was. So we'll just switch to the months. Success starts with a plan, and that's March. And then April, don't give up, great things take time. This is very minimalistic approach, which I'm finding aesthetically pleasing right now. For May, you are bigger than your circumstances. Very motivating. June, when you don't know what to do, do what you know. Okay, good advice. July, writing it down is the first step. Wholeheartedly agree. I am a note taker. I am a list maker. That's what I'm about. Work hard and be proud of what you achieve. August, nice for the month that like school typically starts. Appreciate the beauty within and around you. Good to take to heart. October, stay positive, work hard, make it happen. All right, boss lady. November, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Well said. December, always look on the bright side. Good advice as well. So then that's the end of the months and the weekly view. So then we come down to some lined paper. It just says a notes section. Quite a few pages here. We've got some dot grid and a little geodes and gemstones here to color. Again, the paper would be great to color with. And oh, now we have some coloring pages, some florals and some hexagons. Those are cute. They'd be cute with some words written in there. Okay, so this is kind of like a goals section where you could map things out. Keep in touch. Contacts might be helpful. Okay, so this is a forward planning calendar. So you've got January 21 through December 2021, and there are little dots here like checklist to make notes of what you have coming. I find that very helpful because right now I am coming to the end of my planner in my personal planner, and I don't have the 2020 pages yet. And so I'm finding I have to take notes on what I have coming up scheduled already in 2020. So this would be helpful as I'm going through the year. Life is a kaleidoscope of colors, intricate, unexpected, and beautiful. Like that. Erin Condren, one of the things I like is you can customize so many different aspects of this. Here are some stickers. These are pretty. They've got silver foil. Love the silver foil there. And then this is a looks like is this a gold foil? I wasn't sure if it's gold. It kind of looks like rose gold to me, more than gold. That's why I was kind of, let me see. Because that's definitely silver. So this looks like a rose gold. And just some stickers to use throughout the months. Occasion stickers, and these again are in silver. These are holidays and birthdays, special occasions. And then some blank appointments, again in the rose gold. And then we have a folder to collect things that need to be paid, bills that need to be paid, things to remember, ephemera, things you want to scrapbook, blah, blah, blah. And then here we have a perpetual calendar. Right. So this is stuff that you want to list that happens the same time every year. So like my anniversary is the same date every year. My son's birthday, my daughter's birthday, my husband's birthday. Those are all the same every year. So I could put them in this perpetual calendar. And then, oh, it gives a nice little list of holidays. It's cute. Important contacts, important passwords. Boy, I could use that. And that's it. And then it has another one of those whiteboard opportunities back here on the back. So overall, I would say I am really pleased and impressed with this Erin Condren planner. And I would say that over the last 5 years, 4 to 5 years since I've been into planning again, I've always been a planner, but since I've been planning again, the price for Erin Condren has not changed very much from the time I started to right now. There's lots of other things to buy as add-ons, but the planner, the life planner itself, I have found the price really has been consistent over the last 5 years, which is saying something. There might have been, you know, a little bit of change, but for me, it's been fairly the same. But I tend to stick with the same things. Like I don't get the pictures on the front or a lot of the customization. But anyway, this gets high marks for me, and I probably will use this for 2020. I do have a tendency to start strong in January and then kind of lag throughout the year. Hopefully I won't do that this year. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what the Erin Condren Life Planner for 2020 looks like. This is the neutral version, and I really am happy with it. And again, I reviewed the Clever Fox planner. I'll put the link to that video down below, so you have an option to look at what an undated one looks like and what this one looks like. And honestly, after looking at the two, they really are two separate type of planners, because the Clever Fox is more about planning out your whole life and improving yourself and handling your self-care, and this is more organization, and that's just my opinion. So anyway, thank you very much. I enjoyed sharing this video with you, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I'd be happy to have you as a subscriber. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.